Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we're all about helping you succeed in life and work. Today we've got something really special for those of you who are always looking to level up your productivity game. We'll be diving into a technique that has been a game changer for many, the Pomodoro Technique. Get ready to unlock your potential and master the art of laser focus. Now let us dive into the details and discover how you can use this technique to achieve unstoppable concentration. In today's fast-paced world, it can be tough to stay focused and productive. We are constantly bombarded with distractions from all sides, making it difficult to get things done. However, there is a technique that has been proven to help people focus and get more done in less time: the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a simple yet effective method for improving focus and productivity. This technique was developed by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s, and it has since become one of the most popular time management techniques in the world. The technique gets its name from the Italian word for tomato, which was inspired by the tomato-shaped kitchen timer that Cirillo used when he first developed the technique. At its core, the Pomodoro Technique is a method for forcing oneself to focus on a task for a specific period of time, typically 25 minutes before taking a short break. The idea is that by setting a time limit for your work, you create a sense of urgency, which helps you to focus and get more done in less time. This technique is based on the idea that the brain functions best when it is well rested and not overworked. By forcing yourself to take regular breaks, you give your brain a chance to relax and recharge, which ultimately helps you to be more productive overall. So how does one go about using the Pomodoro Technique? Well, it's actually quite simple. Here are the steps to get started. First, choose a task that you would like to focus on. Next, set a timer for 25 minutes and commit to working on the task until the timer goes off. During the 25-minute work period, it is important to focus solely on the task at hand and minimize distractions. This means turning off your phone, closing any unnecessary tabs or apps on your computer, and ensuring that you have everything you need to complete the task before starting. Once the timer goes off, take a short break of 5 minutes. During this break, you can check your phone, stretch, or do anything else that helps you relax and clear your mind. After the break, it's time to start the Pomodoro again. Repeat the cycle of working for 25 minutes followed by a 5-minute break until you have completed the task or spent a total of 4 hours working. If you found this information helpful, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.
Now let's move on to the next part of the video.
The Pomodoro Technique is a simple but powerful technique that can help you focus and get more done in less time. By forcing yourself to work in short bursts and taking regular breaks, you can train your brain to stay focused and avoid burnout. So if you're feeling overwhelmed or unmotivated, give the Pomodoro Technique a try. You may be surprised at what you can accomplish in just 25-minute intervals. And that's a wrap, folks. Hope you enjoyed learning about the Pomodoro Technique and how it can help you revolutionize your study sessions. Remember, understanding time limits is key. Focus intensely for 25 minutes, then take a well-deserved break. Minimize distractions. Work on one task at a time to enhance your concentration. Use timers. Set a timer to structure your work sessions and keep you on track. Balance work and rest. Take breaks to avoid mental fatigue and improve focus, and evaluate your progress. Before each session, reevaluate your goals to refocus your efforts. As you continue to refine your study techniques, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel and share your progress with us. Until next time, happy studying, and remember, you've got this. Stay focused and motivated, and watch as your academic dreams become reality. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.